And after a little bit of a break, we're back for some more shop time. And yeah, let's just do it. Let me just get this out of the way. Pay no attention to this. This is not here. Oh, oh. So from the last project that you have not seen, but you will see eventually, I got a couple offcuts. This piece of Paduke, it should be all right. I don't think there's any cracks in this. Black walnut, mahogany, and hard maple, and maybe something else. I don't know. Figure I'm just gonna make some coasters out of this because it's my shop. I can do whatever I want. Don't ask questions. All right. Now a couple weeks ago, I made these, and these are still unsanded. So I think I need to make a little bit of progress on these because I'd like to go ahead and pretty soon get this giveaway taken care of. I know that there's probably some people out there who are actually legitimately wanting this set of coasters, and I legitimately want you to have them. So I'm going to do a bit of sanding. Like always, we're going to do 120, 180, 220, then 320, and then we'll slap a coat on it and then let it cure, buff it out with 320, put on another coat of finish, and then in between that coat, we'll jump to 600 grit. And we'll work our way up to 5 coats, and then, so we're talking about sometime next week, probably these will be ready because I'm sure my mosquito brain will have me going in an opposite direction before you know it. But I am gonna make progress on these. Don't you worry, I'm gonna be giving these away. It's not just a figment of your imagination. I did make that promise, and we're gonna make it happen. And that's all the sanding I'm gonna do tonight because I love sanding so much. that's pretty good. So these will be inspired by the massive cutting board that these offcuts came from. So it'll look, I mean, color-wise, it's gonna match. I mean, it's not gonna be like a miniature version, mainly because I don't have any more Purple Heart. And I'm not gonna purchase any more Purple Heart because I hate Purple Heart with a divine and sanctified passion. So don't ask for any more Purple Heart unless I do another crazy cutting board. Well, let's do a little side by side. So there's the block, and then there's sort of what the cutting board looks like. So yeah, inspired. If they're like in the same domicile, you'll say, yeah, that's a matching set. I mean, if you hold it up to it, you'll see that it's not exactly. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Whatever. They're inspired. All right, get ready for a ride. We're gonna turn these into coasters, hyperlapse style. Well, these are silly looking. I don't know what I expected. I think this is where the episode ends. Good night.